So there was a question on the community about Next10 project, and the question was actually about how to export the issues to a spreadsheet from a Next10 project. Now, in the past few weeks and months, people are using Next10 projects quite a lot. They really are easy to use, and the great thing about an Next10 project is that you can configure things without relying on your Jira administrator, which is great. Especially if you are a Jira administrator, you will enjoy working with Next10 project. But I think there are a few elements that you need to be aware of. There are a few things that you need to know how it works for Next10 project. Now, while you're working on a board, and by the way, we are trying to export the issues in a spreadsheet. So when you're working on a board, on top there is no option. When you go to the roadmap, you will actually see this option called export. And when you click on the export button, you might think that it will let you generate an Excel file, but no, it will basically generate the view, or basically the timeline that you may have for your different epics in planned for the next few weeks, or whatever plan that you may have. So this will not generate an Excel sheet, it will generate one image for you. However, if you go to your Issue Navigator and if you click on issues, you can always filter for your next gen project. So let us do that. Let me try to find my next gen project. I'll probably use the basic search. So I'll use my basic search and I will switch to next gen epic. So next gen epic is the name of my project, which is of type next gen, and on top right I have the option to open an Excel sheet. So if you want, you can use this option. I prefer using the CSV, which is quite fast. So I can either export everything in the current view, the current filter is showing few fields. So I can either export the current field or all fields. So if you want to export the issues from Next10 project, you need to use the standard good old Issue Navigator. And that is all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.